is victorious on our game, the least they can be is co-champs in the Big 12.
Oklahoma upsets Oklahoma State. The winner of the Baylor-Texas game will be the Big 12 champion. Lost it out left side as well. Roman is intercepted at the 10. Over the middle. Caught. Touchdown. Levi Norwood. And the Baylor Bears are the 2013 Big 12 football champions.
Bowl Mania continuing, a first for two programs, the Tostitos Fiesta Bowl. Central Florida and Baylor, both teams making their first BCS Bowl appearance in school history. Ed, what's the key here?
After a great start for UCF, they really started to bumble and stumble down the stretch. Barely beat SMU, barely beat South Florida, needed a miracle catch to win a game. This is a team that George O'Leary had playing really well at times, got the big win against Penn State, but they did not look like a BCS team at the end of the season to me.
Well, I'll tell you who did look like a BCS team for most of the year, Baylor. And part of the reason, the big reason, was this offense. Art Briles does a great job taking the spread offense to a completely different level. But you see a guy like that, Lake Seastrunk, who was hurt during the course of this season, should be back and healthy. That's another theme that we see in bowl games. Guys that are banged up at the end of the year have an opportunity to get healthy. A guy healthy like that, I think, could be real.
Does anybody play without shiny helmets anymore?
It's the hot thing.
Everybody has the
Well, they either go shiny or they go matte finish.
Yes,
that's
the
one
big
extreme
thing.
to the other.
And Baylor is very much like Oregon and all those different combinations. All right, the combination here, what's the winning one in your mind, confidence-wise?
It's really amazing to me how much Art Briles has this program going. You talk about Baylor, they're going to have a new stadium next year on campus. This really is going the right way. I think Baylor absolutely smoked Central Florida, 35 confident.
Whoa, that's the biggest one.
I wish I could put every confidence point I had on this game. I can only go up to 35. I will go 35. And this is no disrespect to UCF and Coach O'Leary. I think they've done a fantastic job. I just think when you talk about this Baylor team, you talk about this dynamic offense, you talk about Bryce Petty, one of those guys that was playing great all year long, and a defense playing much better for most of the year under defensive coordinator Phil Bennett.
It's not good when you guys are on the same page, stacking the chips and going all in. So, Todd, where are you? Call.
You're talking about Lake Seastrunk, Bryce Petty, Antoine Goodley, the speed of this team. Listen, I love Blake Bortles. I think he could be a first-round draft pick when he does decide to come out, whether that's 2014, this upcoming draft, or 2015. But this defense cannot match up against Baylor. This Baylor team, when you look at it, 30 points or fewer just once this year. I'm going to go 36 points. I'm taking that Oklahoma State point. I'm adding it at 36 points.
Hey, he's still bitter about that one.